At 6 a.m., the parent group chat erupts. They want to know why the class next door is solving arithmetic problems in 1 second, using viral math hacks, while their children are still grinding through traditional vertical calculations. This puts Priya, an experienced math teacher, in a tough spot. She has a class to teach, and a specific challenge waiting on the blackboard. Calculate 97 times 94 in your head, in under 3 seconds. Standard vertical methods are too slow for the parents' liking, but teaching shortcuts via rote memorization bypasses the logical foundation required for actual mathematical literacy. Vedic mathematics, the system these parents are asking for, relies on highly structured algebraic logic. It requires careful study of historical texts, rather than scrolling through superficial tricks online. To teach this properly, Priya needs to deconstruct those ancient formulas and map them directly onto modern mathematical concepts that a middle schooler can actually digest. The goal is to build a system where arriving at the correct answer is a byproduct of understanding the mechanics rather than performing a magic trick. Priya decides to build a custom computational thinking deconstruction coach using an AI assistant. She starts by setting the prompt's persona and task. She instructs the AI to act as a Grandmaster level teacher who is equally proficient in ancient Sanskrit sutras and modern arithmetic pedagogy. Next comes the first context constraint. The AI must explicitly name the specific Vedic math formula it uses to solve any inputted problem. Then she adds a crucial failsafe. She strictly forbids the AI from treating the calculation as rote memorization. It is required to explain the mechanics using the modern place value principle. To format the output, Priya mandates a professional, academic layout that displays the original Sanskrit name alongside its English translation. Finally, she requires the AI to output its step-by-step calculations using a Markdown table. This guarantees proper spatial layout, digit alignment, and clear carryover relationships on the screen. By explicitly layering these pedagogical rules, Priya restricts the AI from spitting out an answer. It is forced to teach the reasoning behind the math. When Priya tests the prompt with the 97 times 94 problem, the AI immediately identifies the core sutra, Nikhilam. In English, this translates to all from 9 and the last from 10. This table displays the first step of the calculation. Since both numbers are close to a base of 100, the AI maps out the difference. 97 is -3, and 94 is -6. Here is the calculation. You cross-subtract on the left side. 97 minus 6 equals 91. Then you multiply the differences on the right. -3 times -6 equals 18. Combine them and you get 9,118. This visualization reveals the core mechanic. The mental math shortcut is a direct application of polynomial expansion, 100 minus a times 100 minus b. The table simply acts as a spatial organizer for the variables. By demanding the AI show its work, Priya transformed a shortcut into a clear demonstration of algebraic properties. It turned a mysterious rule into a practical teaching tool. The next morning, Priya introduces the framework. The students begin by mapping the 97 times 94 table together, and once they've practiced the variable layout, they move on to tackle extension exercises like 95 times 96 on their own. Because of the detailed table layout, the students can see exactly how the variables interact. They are actively intuiting the algebra, rather than guessing at a black box algorithm. Priya delivered the lightning-fast results the parents demanded, while maintaining rigorous educational standards. Understanding the internal logic of a formula makes the speed of mental math a byproduct of comprehension. If you found this breakdown of computational thinking helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into pedagogy. But solving the math crisis was only half the battle. Priya returns to her desk to find a fresh, angry email from a parent questioning her entire curriculum. She spends 15 hours every single week drafting administrative reports and carefully navigating emotionally charged messages from parents. It is a level of administrative overload that rapidly pushes educators towards severe burnout. Can Priya engineer a highly empathetic, automated digital assistant to survive the relentless pressure of the parents' group chat? Find out in our next episode.